Hi, my name is Camille, and I'm a personal trainer with my business, FitSeek. And I have a YouTube channel that I've been growing for about a year now. I received an email from Sabbir about my search engine optimization, helping to get my videos out to the public. And I've been working with him for the last 6 months. And he's been a really big blessing in terms of guiding me in terms of what search optimization actually is, how to make sure that my videos are getting out to my community. And he's just been a big help in terms of guiding me in terms of this whole process because I wasn't sure about what search engine optimization could actually do for my YouTube channel. But I've noticed a really big increase in my community, that my videos are getting to the right people who need to see my content, who want to see my content. And then also, I've noticed a big increase in views and the right views from people who actually want to engage with my content. So it's really just been a blessing working with him. He's very professional. He communicates very regularly and consistently. And you can just tell that he cares. And that's the one thing that I am really thankful for in terms of working with him. Just the care that he puts behind all of the work that he does for my channel. So if you are thinking about optimizing your content so that it can get to the right viewers, then definitely give Sabbir a send him an email, give him a call. He'll definitely make your content more visible and really listen to you and your needs and everything that you're looking for. So thank you so much, Sabbir, for all that you do for my channel and helping me to grow my channel on YouTube.